Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create earth zoom in effect on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your CapCut application and you can import your video. And I have already imported my video, so I'm going to add this video to the timeline. And if you want to create earth zoom in effect, this step is very simple guys. You just need to go to the effect menu on CapCut and then you're going to search for earth zoom effect. And unfortunately, it's not free. You need to subscribe to CapCut to use this effect. Okay, and now the effect has been added to my video and then I'm going to play it. Okay, this is how it looks. And you can customize the speed here. I'm going to reduce the speed and let's see how it looks. Alright. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!